Welcome, today in front of me Vivo Y76 5G, and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I set up my face recognition a couple of minutes ago here, and now I'll show you a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face here, and we'll see how fast and how useful this feature is. So let's start. 1, 2. I'll just make by this way because it's just unlock the device so fast, so we just can just think that I'm not locked the device. So as can you see, it's locked, and now that's just in less than in 1 second we have the device unlocked. So as can you see, the face unlock feature works here really so fast, so we can just unlock the device less than in half of seconds, and that's a really good just result from the face unlock method. And I just suggest you to try the face unlock feature here on your device. For example, if you don't like the just passcodes or pin codes, but don't forget that the the face unlock is less secure than the passcodes or pin codes on just unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.